Shovelhead 8 here. I'm busy repairing, resewing one of the sheaths for my uh, knife projects, knives I'm rebuilding. So, anyways, this is the first time I've sewn any leather, so you'll have to bear with me for a while anyways till I get the hang of it. I think we'll just touch the high points anyways on it. Anyways, we'll thread up our needle and give it a try. I'm going to be sewing with 2 needles, but 1 piece of thread. I'm going to try double stitching down here at the bottom. There's the first one stitched. anyways, you get the idea. I'm going to shut the camera off and bring you back when I get more towards the end. Thank you. Anyways, we're back. Finished sewing it all up. I double stitched it, back stitched it up here at the top, and I'm ready to make some new danglers for this one. But I've got two other ones to clean up and resew as well. So I'll shut this off now, and when I get them all done, I'll show you the final products. Thank you. Shovelhead 8, I'm going to finish up what I started on repairing the sheets. I pretty well figured out how to sew leather. I think these ones turned out, these danglers, I've got to get some thinner leather. These are just too thick. But anyways, the sewing came out good. I re-sewed 3 out of the 4. This dangler looks pretty good. This one has a regular belt loop in it. Anyways, I'll be showing you these and the knives in the final one. The leather on these is not the greatest, but they went through a house fire and then they were neglected for 30 years. So anyways, sort of happy they came out as good as they did. So anyways, thank you very much for watching this, and the next segment will be the sharpening and the mating of each knife to its appropriate sheath. So anyways, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you the next time.